Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shushma Sarala, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now coming into the conventional form of treatment, or you can also call as allopathic form of treatment, and you're finding these forms of treatment even in aesthetic clinics right now. The first one that they do is giving minoxidil so that it helps in better growth of hair. Second one is anti-androgen tablets. Why are they giving this anti-androgen tablets? If you're experiencing PCOS or PCOD or any sort of problems where there is hyperandrogenism, they will give again hormonal tablets to suppress this androgen problems. What is this platelet rich plasma therapy? You'll draw your own blood and they will have microneedling done, which is there is an instrument which has small spikes on it and they will roll it, okay, and they will infuse this plasma rich plasm into the scalp, or they can directly inject it as well. And there is low level laser therapy where through the laser they will be stimulating the hair growth, and also there is hair transplant if there is like complete baldness. Remember, in the conventional form of treatment, if you're using minoxidil or if you're using anti-androgen tablets, they are not going to work for a longer period of time. If you're using combining two systems, like if you can combine homeopathy along with certain medications like low level laser therapy or platelet rich plasma, you can see better results. If you're suffering from PCOS or if you're suffering from hormonal problems, if you're suffering from stress, you can take homeopathic medications which work really better for hair fall, and then you can combine it with the aesthetic medicines like low level laser therapy or PRP for better results. But remember, all of these will have a result, which can stay for 2 to 3 months. If you are experiencing hormonal problem, better take homeopathic medication and then go for the other treatments to stimulate your scalp. Coming to the homeopathic form of treatment, is there really a medicine for hair fall in homeopathy? See, remember that if you are having any genetic history of hair fall, there is nothing we can do, because you can only through diet and lifestyle you can monitor it so that you will not experience it. It doesn't mean that everyone in the family, if they're experiencing hair fall, you will also experience it. It's just a risk factor. If you're having an unhealthy lifestyle, if you're having a lot of stress, you will experience hair fall. But if you're monitoring your life properly, then maybe you will not even have a episode of hair fall. Especially in the genetic cases, we cannot do much about it. But in cases which are due to medication or which are due to hormonal, homeopathy has its best shot. If you are experiencing PCOS, if you are experiencing hyper or hypothyroidism, if you are experiencing any sort of liver disturbances, any sort of gastric disturbances, if you are suffering from IBS where there is improper absorption leading into poor blood quality, all of these areas homeopathy can cover well, so that we can give medication for your main existent systemic disease and also for your hair fall, where there will be decrease in the hair fall, your hair will start growing and there is overall improvement. Remember, if you're suffering from gastritis or if you're suffering from IBS, there is no sort of proper cure in it in allopathy. But in homeopathy, if you're taking a lot of proton pump inhibitors, that is pantoprazole or rabdaprazole or esomeprazole, on a longer run there will be effect on the absorption rate. So by taking homeopathic pills, there is good absorption rate. Your iron problems, your selenium, your zinc problems through homeopathic supplementations, as well as your stress will be dealt holistically, and by giving proper medication we can deal with all of this. Apart from the genetic causes, we can deal with the other hormonal or the medicinal causes. If you are experiencing hair fall due to certain medications like arthritis, homeopathy has a best shot even in it. So try taking homeopathy for your hair fall if you're suffering from these kind of causes. If you're experiencing hair fall, women especially on the scalp region, and you're having some hormonal issues or any other issues, then if you want to contact us, you can do it through two processes. One is the online consultation. You can contact us through audio and video consultation. And if you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and contact us in person. After the doctor consultation, if you are having any sort of investigations, you can share it with us. If you need any more investigations, we will ask you to do it and share it with us. After all of this process, especially the online clients, we will be sending your medications to your doorstep. If you are staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you are staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And across the globe, anywhere, it can take 4 to 8 business days. If you are experiencing hair fall and you would like to take a doctor consultation, you can call us through this number, ping us or WhatsApp us or message us on this number. And if you'd like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check out our website www.fidicus.com. If you're experiencing hair fall and if you want to choose a certain cure for your hair fall, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Remember, Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have three principles. First is we are dealing with patients with good success rate who are experiencing fair hair fall because of hormonal issues or because of allopathic medication side effects. Second thing, the transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. We will be explaining it to you, the process, the prognosis and everything. And also the personal care. If you're having any sort of myths or if you're having any sort of, queries regarding your hair fall, we will be educating you on that as well. So the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. If you want to choose cure for your hair fall or if you want to decrease your hair fall, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.